Hi, welcome to Elisa Marie Designs. I'm Elisa Maria, and this is a bonus because it's Freestyle Friday. So this is a bonus from yesterday's Throwback Thursday where the subscribers chose to see RICO come out of the archives and do a little diamond painting. Let me turn another light on, hold on. So the subscribers chose to see RICO yesterday for Throwback Thursday, and we diamond painted this gorgeous flower, this part of it. And I said, you know, I'm having so much fun with this guy, I'm gonna keep on going. And so it revealed to me a beautiful flower when I picked up my release paper, and I thought, oh my God, I cannot do this on my own. I have to do this with my subscribers. However, I could do it on my own and just leave all those gorgeous red ABs. And I'm glad that I waited because I had a lot of questions this morning about the cone shape pen that I use to pick up my ABs. Also picking up your ABs with wax, not wax, putty. What do you do? So I'm going to do a little demo here with this beautiful flower that I had left. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I got coffee in me. It's all good. So I'm going to use my leopard Inferno Firefly that I got, tray that I got from Leopard Leopold with my matching pen. And these are the ABs. Are they stunning? Oh my God, they're so good. And I'm going to get myself a paper towel and some water.
Went after her. So if
Oh, you guys, I'm going to leave the end of that last clip where you see my shock and awe that I never hit the record button, but I still have ABs left. So, good. Here's the setup. Everything for a reason. I don't sweat it. I have a paper towel. It's wet. I always have a water bottle on my desk. Wet my paper towel. Now, I'll give you another tip. I have glass cleaner in a canister because I'm always wiping things down. I take one of them and I fold it up in one of my empty containers because it won't mold, and I just keep it in there. So you can use that too. The glass cleaner is not going to hurt the coating. But you do you. I've done it a million times. So you're just tapping in here. I also have a little, I did this yesterday. I'm going to use one of my little trays, and again with the spray bottle, put water in there. Okay. I have the cone shape pen that comes from Dreamer Design. I only use water. I have one of my skinny placers that I get from Amazon. I'll link it. From STAROAR, S-T-A-R-O-A-R. They come in a pack of 10. You get an aligner. They're always sold out. So I'm going to use my paper towel to dap my multi-placer. I only use wax, nothing else. Nothing in the tip. For the tip, I dip in the water. Sometimes I tap off here. You don't want to flood the ABs because then they won't pick up. They're just kind of swimming in water. So very little water. Just one of the smallest little water droplets that you have there. And I tap this and I begin to pick up. Look at this. Look at these ABs, how gorgeous they are. I set quite a few when I thought I was diamond painting with the record button on. But everything I said for a reason. I'm going to go silent after the demo because one of my subscribers said that my music was too loud, and I have a new licensing company and I want to check that too. So here you go. I'm picking up 7 ABs at a time just by moistening the wax. Do I have a 7 placer to put them? I had really long lines before. I think there might be 7 here. Nope, there's 6. So let me take one off. And here you go. Now my spaces are getting kind of tight. So, you know, not that, you know, I try to do them one by one when my spaces are getting tight. But for a demo purpose, I'm going to pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Sorry, you guys, I had to answer the door. Deliveries. Just gonna moisten this. I actually like dabbing in the water because the wax repels the water. That's what the water's purpose is. so that your diamonds don't stick. And this is something I would do in my restaurant when we would have votive candles on the table, or even in your own home. If you have votive candles, if you put a little water on the bottom, and then when you light your candles and it burns all the way down, you can just take that puck of wax out. It's not going to stick. So the water's there to repel the wax. Using the little point, I just dabbed it in the water. I just picked up 2 at a time, and I'm going to take advantage of that one. And I'm not really remoistening. The trick with this is a really light touch. Really light. Sometimes also, if you give it a little slide, they pick up too. I slide it towards me, and they stay on pretty well. And there's your little crunchies. Dabbing in the water, picking up. And I could pick up quite a few times with a little dab. Like I was saying, I don't know how much of this I caught, but I lived in Florida, so I know how the humidity is. And the humidity here in Philadelphia during the summer, where we had those like murderous heat waves, and I don't say that jokingly, because the heat was impossible. You know, when you have to pick up, they won't pick up. When you need to have more water, they won't pick up. And you know, your wax starts to sweat, or it gets, your putty gets stringy, and you're just like, oh, I want a diamond paint, but you know, the weather's not cooperating. This is the pen that I used. It slowed me down, yes. I practiced my patchwork, doing it one by one, but I was able to diamond paint. The weather wasn't going to stop me from diamond painting, because my wax was, you know, not cooperating, or my putty wanted to stick to the canvas. You know, it's like you get that putty flush enough, but it doesn't last long. And you know, if you pack it in, it's sticking to your canvas. What am I doing here? Having a little, align you a little bit better. There we go. But yeah, when I said, oh, you know what, I'm done filming, but I'm not done with this canvas. I really want to diamond paint a little bit more. And I picked up the release paper, and I'm like, of course, there's a big flower here with a lot of ABs, and I would want to do that with my subscribers. And I didn't want to go on the other side, because I told you guys the next time I pull RICO out, we're going to do the other side of the canvas, because okay, you just don't want to hook up. I told you guys I was going to do the other side of the canvas, because it has a different color scheme on the other side. It's more blues and reds and purples and black. It's going to be his beak, so I thought that would be interesting to practice some color blocking tips that I have. I do think that you would probably be able to diamond paint with your multiplacer if the weather was hot, because you are using water, and so I think you'll be okay. If you're living in a humid climate, to get some, you know, maybe just use this technique for everything, not just AB drills. I'm going to go quiet for the rest of this, because I want to test out my new licensing company that I have for music. One of my subscribers said, I love listening to you. I love your voice. You're funny. You make me laugh. But when you put music on recently, that it's just too loud. So I kind of thought so when I was uploading, but I thought my presets on my end would have fixed that. So I'm gonna have to see here. If not, you know, I'll take the music out and you'll just hear me diamond painting silently, but I do want to test it. And again, you can get these cone shapes. I don't know if I told you that. I know you can get these on Amazon. That's where I buy mine, but you can also get these on Amazon. You can turn any one of your pens into these cone shapes if you like. Okay, I'm going to go quiet. And so that concludes our demo of ABs. I hope this little additional video helped. Now, when I was picking up with the multiplacer in these places that have drills down already, it's a little tight, and you can see me, fiddling around a little bit. It's because the ABs, to me, maybe it's just a trick of the eye where it has a coating on there, but they seem to be a little bit more beveled than the regular drills. That could just be my eye, tricking me a little bit here. But it does seem that they're up just a little bit higher. Yeah, just a little bit higher. They're a little bit more dome shaped. Now, I don't know that much about AB drills to really say. If, like, I know Diamond Art Club is manufacturing their own drills, but other companies, I think they're all getting their AB drills from the same place, regardless of who the company is. So with some drills, you might need a little bit more water, depending on the coating that's on there. And with some companies, you need very little water. With these, I'm noticing when I was tapping the water off, they weren't picking up as well, but with a little bit more water. So, you'll find your way. You'll find your way with this technique. But you'll know when it stops picking up, just get a little bit more water in that cone there. And hopefully my music issue is resolved. One more. I like lifting the cover up into the next section. There you go. See, I need more water. You can see I placed some drills in there already, just so I don't, you know, when you go right up against the line, sometimes you have some gapping when you pick this up and you go into your next section. So I do that when I have a few extra drills in my tray. I look to see, okay, let me see, is there any gapping there? That's it, guys. I hope this helped, and I will see you as always in the next one. Now my hubby's waiting for me to, we're going to do a little home DIY today. So I will see my members tomorrow. We have a Saturday crafternoon where we are going to begin Chosen. I can't wait. She's a beauty. So if you'd like to partake in that canvas, think about becoming a member. We have a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun in the member studio. We're a lot of different personalities, but we all get along so well. And I'm just so proud of my little community that I'm building there. So think about subscribing, think about becoming a member, and I will see you as always in the next one.